The White Lady cocktail. If you haven't tried one, you honestly need to. Who created it? Well, there's a few different stories there. Let's watch the video and find out. Okay, so who created the White Lady? Apparently in 1919, Harry McElhone created it at London's Ciro's Club. Back then though, he had equal parts of lemon juice, creme de menthe, and triple sec. He, however, then created the version that I'm going to do at Harry's New York bar in Paris, which was equal parts of gin, lemon juice, and Cointreau or triple sec. It's kind of like a sidecar with gin, and we're going to make one for you today. Okay guys, so we're going to start making this White Lady. I said before that, there are a few different stories on who created it. I kind of believe that it was Harry McElhone. However, Harry Craddock in 1930 said that they did it also at the Savoy Hotel in London, which is one of my favourite bars in the world. I'm not sure who did, but all I know is it's an amazing drink. And the first thing that I'm going to use is some gin, and I'm going to use Anther, created here in Geelong by Sebastian Rayburn and his wonderful wife, Derv, as well. And Sebastian's a big fan of the White Lady because I can remember years ago I did a twist on a White Lady in a cocktail comp, and he gave me the win. If you haven't tried Anther, guys, get out there and try it. It is an absolutely delicious gin. Some of the botanicals are wormwood. They have juniper from Macedonia and from Hungary, coriander from Egypt and India, angelica, orris root, Vietnamese cassia. What else is there? There's so many great botanicals in this. Finger limes. I'm not going to reel them all off. You need to just go out there and try it. It's kind of starting to sound like an Anther commercial, but these guys don't sponsor me. I just really love this gin, so I need to share it and let everybody know how good it is. All right, so I'm going to start first up with 45 mils of the Anther gin. Next up, 20 mils of Cointreau or a triple sec. 30 mils of fresh lemon juice. Now I'm going to add two ingredients that are optional. I'm going to do 10 mils of a little bit of sugar syrup and about 20 mils of aquafaba or egg white. As I said, it's not in the original recipe, although a lot of bartenders tend to use these as well. I normally do the three ingredients, but I'm going to give this one a try with a little bit of sugar syrup and also with the aquafaba and just see what it's like. Next we're going to add some ice. I'm not going to dry shake, I'm just going to really shake the hell out of it. Okay, nice and chilled. All right, always chill down your glassware. All right, for my garnish, just going to do just a little lemon twist. Going to spray that over. Sometimes it's good to add it down the side so you get that essential oils. You can discard. I'm going to sit that in there for today. That is my version of the White Lady, and I'm going to give it a try. Looks really good. Smells awesome with the oils there. Yeah. I think I kind of like it with the aquafaba or some egg white. Coats the mouth a little bit more. I love the Anther because it's really coming through. It's not hidden by the Cointreau and the lemon juice. Very well balanced, creamy mouthfeel, even though obviously it has no cream in it. I got to try one at Harry's New York bar in Paris a few years ago, and I've got to say I was kind of disappointed the way that it was made, although I love being there. I think I like this one better. Could be the gin. Guys, the White Lady, give it a try. Please hit subscribe, like, comment below. What gin do you like in your white lady? Or have you tried Anther? Okay, it used to be called Artemis. We've got a bottle here at the 18th Amendment Bar in our cabinet. It's had its name changed a little while ago. Yeah, have a good day.